continuously struggle in regards to what watch to present. I was tempted to present this Citizen Solar watch, the Eco Drive, but nah, I do not want to switch to other brands for the moment. Then I wanted to present this W729, but we do not have the pushers. One I've lost and the other one is on hold. We need to 3D print it. But while continuously thinking in what to present, I have ended up visiting a shop, a local shop, in which I have found this marvel, this beauty, this MTP-V007. Now this is the tank watch. 24 euros I have paid for this tank watch, but be careful, it's not the LTP variant, it's the MTP variant, so the man timepiece. Now this watch, I cannot find it on official Casio website, just on other, let's say, fan-made sites, where I have found this watch. This was released back in 2015. And it shares the same model, the same module as the LTP version of it. As you can see, this watch does not work, the battery is drained, and it was sitting in the shop for at least 3 years. At least this is the period in which Casio says that the battery will last. Now let me present you a little the case. The total height of this case is 40 millimeters, but the lug to lug is for sure less, around 37 I presume. Then the width of the watch without the crown is 29 millimeters, with the crown is larger. The height of this watch is 7.8, almost 8 millimeters. So basically it's a thin watch, and compared to the LTP model, it is around 25% larger. Definitely a man timepiece. Back in 2015, Casio would release a lot of variants in regards to the color combination. Now I have the silver case. It is not plastic, it is some kind of brass. The glass is mineral glass, so plastic. And we have this lovely cognac color strap, and if we compare it with the LTP model, we can see that we have let's say Casio released the same strategy for the LTP as for the MTP. So we have black straps, metal straps, and maybe some different display configurations. If we switch to the back case, we have this stainless steel back case, which is brushed surfaced. We have the Casio logo on top, the module name 5361, and the MTP-V007. It states that it is water resist, but we do not know how much it can get into the water, so basically water splashes. It is also mentioning, not here but on the front of the display, jump of movement next to 6 o'clock position. Now this watch uses the module 5361. It's the same as for the LTP-V007. This model uses the SR626 battery, and in order to replace it, we need to take out this back case. It's good because here there is a dent in which you can insert, not my back case remover tool because it's too thick, so I have used the blade of a knife. And let's see how it is in interior and see how to replace the battery. So we have this spring there, okay, and the battery should be masked under this plastic plate. Okay, this plastic plate is only placed to keep the module in the correct position. We should not lose this spring, it is very small spring. I hope I will not lose it. Okay, and here is the battery. It is SR626SW, and what is the brand of it? So it's a Maxwell battery. Let's take it out carefully. I have here a GP battery, so it's an LR626 It's the equivalent from GP, and let's see if it works. Definitely it works. Let's take a better look on this module. We can see here it's written that it is an Epson from Japan and some other digits which I do not recognize. Let's put back this plate perfectly, and now let's carefully insert this spring. Hope I will not lose it. Great, just lost it. I will not put here the spring bar. I'm not sure what was the function of that spring bar. I've lost it. It was too small. Let's put the back case on. Perfect. Closed. In order to set up the time, one pull, and let's move. It is 1:30, 1:39. Okay. The time is set up. Now should we put it on the wrist to see how it looks? This is how it looks on the wrist. It is a very small watch, but it's perfect as a dressy watch. It's perfect with a white short, or depends on your taste, but on the wrist feels very good. Definitely a perfect watch. I like this watch. It is a beauty. Definitely it feels very good on the wrist. €24 watch. This was perfect. It was waiting for me for almost 4 years in that store. Even the stand was broken. It was damaged, and now I have managed to break it. Perfect watch. Waiting for your opinion. Please leave me your thoughts in the comment section, and also do not forget to subscribe.